What would you do if you lost all your money? What if it happened far from home? This is a story about a young student named Tom. One day, something terrible happened to him on the bus. But what happened next will surprise you. It was a Monday morning. Tom was a student. He was going to school by bus. He had his bag, his books, and his wallet. His wallet had $50 inside. It was very important to him. He sat near the window. The bus was full of people. Tom listened to music. He was happy. The bus stopped. Tom got off quickly. He walked to school. But then he touched his pocket. His wallet was not there.
Oh no! Where is my wallet? He checked his bag. He checked his pockets again. Nothing. His heart started to beat fast. I had it on the bus. I think I lost it on the bus. Tom ran back to the bus stop, but the bus was already gone. He stood there alone. He did not know what to do. Then he saw an old man sitting at the bus stop. The old man looked at Tom.
Hello, young man. Are you okay? You look worried.
No, sir. I lost my wallet. I think it fell on the bus.
Oh, dear. That is not good. Was there money inside?
Yes, $50. It is all my money for this week.
I understand. Don't panic. Let's think together.
But the bus is gone. What can I do now?
Do you know the bus number?
Yes, it was bus number 12.
Good. Every bus has a lost and found office. Do you know that?
No, sir. I did not know that.
Yes, people find things on the bus. They give them to the office. You can go there and ask.
Really? Where is the office?
It is at the main bus station, not far from here, about 10 minutes by walking.
Thank you so much, sir. I will go right now.
Wait, first call your school. Tell them you will be late. Always tell someone where you are going.
You are right. I will call them now. Thank you again. Tom called his school. He told his teacher he would be late. Then he walked quickly to the main bus station. He felt nervous. He did not know if his wallet was still there. Tom found the lost and found office. A young woman was sitting at the desk. She smiled at Tom.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hello? I lost my wallet today on bus number 12. It was this morning, around 8 o'clock.
Okay. What does your wallet look like?
It is brown and small. It has my student ID inside and $50.
One moment, please. Let me check.
The woman looked through a box on her desk. Tom waited. His hands were shaking a little. She picked up something brown and small.
Is this your wallet?
Yes, that is my wallet. Oh, thank you.
Please check inside. Is everything there?
Tom opened the wallet. His student ID was there. He counted the money slowly.
Yes, $50. Everything is here. I can't believe it.
A passenger found it under the seat. She gave it to the bus driver. The driver brought it here.
Wow, that person was so kind. I wish I could say thank you to them.
She did not leave her name, but she said, "I hope it helps someone."
That is beautiful. I will do the same one day. If I find something, I will return it.
That is a wonderful idea. The world is better with people like you.
Thank you. Really. You made my day so much better.
Tom walked out of the office. He was smiling now. He went to school. He was 30 minutes late, but his teacher understood. Tom told the whole class what happened. His classmates listened carefully. Some of them did not know about the Lost and Found office. Tom was happy he could help them learn something new too. That day, Tom learned 3 important things. First, stay calm when something goes wrong. Second, always ask for help. Someone around you may know the answer. And third, kindness is everywhere. You just have to look for it. A stranger returned his wallet. An old man showed him the way, and Tom promised to do the same for others. Because one small act of kindness can change someone's whole day. Did you enjoy this story? What would you do if you lost your wallet? Write your answer in the comments below.